Hi everyone, welcome. I hope you're doing really well. This is the third time I have filmed this intro. The other times I didn't have my mic on. What we did today was I wanted to do a get ready with me. It was going to be a chatty get ready with me, but tragically something happened with one of Jack's friends, somebody that she and he had gone to kindergarten and all the way through school together, really good friends with the family, and something really tragic happened in her life. So he came home and was making some phone calls to try to help the family out. I wanted to be respectful, so I just did kind of a quick look. I used this palette. This is the LA Girl palette that I hauled recently, and I had done a couple looks with this already. I wanted to play around with it again. I noticed that it was on sale. Now I have played around with this palette a good bit. I did just a basic. I used some browns and a couple of the kind of rosy colors. I enjoyed it a lot, but when you get onto the colors, honestly, they're just not, these colors right here, they're just not coming through. So I was kind of disappointed with that, but I will tell you that I did use a couple of their liquid glitter eyeshadows, and I did have a lot of fun with these. They're really easy to work with. They blended very nicely together, and they blended very easily into the powdered shadow. It has kind of a smaller doe foot compared to the Stila, but you still have a really pretty liquid eyeshadow to work with. So that was the get ready with me. If you are interested in seeing exactly how I got this look, then please keep watching.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time